starting on the driver's side door panel, there would normally be a plastic cap right here. If yours has it, go ahead and just use a small pick, something like this here, to go ahead and get underneath it and pop it out. Underneath, you're going to find a Phillips head screw. Remove that screw. Inside the door handle pull, there's going to be a little plastic button right here. Use your pick. Go ahead and pull that out. Go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw that's behind it. Inside the door handle pull is another Phillips head screw right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this here. We have a fourth screw right here on the side of the door panel. Go ahead and remove that one. Use a trim tool to remove this piece here. Ours happens to be just a little bit loose, so we're going to go ahead and pull this out. Go ahead and set that aside. Using a plastic trim tool remover, I'm going to go ahead and get underneath the door panel. And we're going to gently pry it out and pull away to release the plastic retainer clips holding our door panel on. Once those are all released, go ahead and work the door panel in the upward position. Swinging this away. You want to reach down inside here and disconnect the connector to the window switch. Go ahead and use a small pick or a small flathead screwdriver. Press on this little tab right on the top center. Grab that connector and wiggle this out. Now go ahead and remove your door panel, set that aside. We'll now go ahead and remove this interior panel from the mirror. Just going to release our little plastic locking pin right here from the clip on the door. Go ahead and set that aside. I'm going to remove the bracket for the inside of the door panel here. Set that aside. Peel back your water shield. There is a sticky adhesive here. You might want to use a razor blade carefully and just cut the adhesive. I'm going to use a T20 Torx bit and remove this screw on the inside. Just release these two little lock tabs and then pull that out from the door panel itself. We should now be able to push the door handle back and pull that out. Install the handle in just the reverse pattern. Feed this in. Pull the handle forward, that'll lock that into place. Take a new piece here, install the rear section. Pull the handle out. Install our screw. Get that installed. Install our water shield. I'm just going to put a little cross hatch on the water shield here and pull our bolts through. Install our shelf bracket here. Install our mirror trim by inserting the post and the button here. Line that up. Install our window switch by installing the lower tab first, and then just press the top in. Install our harness connector here. Just line it up and hang our door panel on the upper sill plate here. Make sure it's down in position. And just go around the perimeter, pressing in on all the snaps. Install our trim piece right here. Line that up. Install our rearward mounted door panel screw. Install our lower screw in the cup. Install our screw in the door handle. And once that's tight, go ahead and snap over your little trim button there. Install our forward mounted panel screw. And if your door panel has a little trim button there, go ahead and snap that on right there.